Here we were traveling to Thredbo to start our Merritts Nature Track. After parking our car, we went to the start of Merritts Nature Track. Through this 4-kilometer track, we are going to ascend to the Eagle Nest, the highest restaurant in Australia. Even though the track is graded at grade 3, I still find it difficult. It is very steep and has a lot of stairs to climb. As we walk up the track, we could see some people mountain biking on the track as well. At this point of climbing the stairs, I was huffing and puffing. From this part of the trail, we were starting to see the rugged and awe-inspiring alpine landscape of the Kosciuszko National Park. We could also opt to take the chairlift up from Thredbo instead of walking the track. After almost 2.5 hours of hard work, we had finally reached the Eagle's Nest. We will continue our walk to the Kosciuszko Summit from the Eagle's Nest. From here, it is another 5.5 kilometers to the summit. What we did not anticipate was the extreme strong wind that we had to walk against. We have arrived at the Mount Kosciuszko lookout platform, and the wind is still blowing strongly. We were 2.5 kilometers away from the summit. My husband and I decided that we would just stop here. These 3 heroes from our group managed to make it to the summit. We were contented just to take a photo with the Mount Kosciuszko and then return to the Eagle's Nest. Even though the conditions up here are harsh, the landscapes and views simply blown us away. Here I am taking in the view on the top of the Kosciuszko National Park. My husband even spotted a little creek with some fish swimming in it.
Can I have a fish, please?
We noticed that the water in the river is very, very clear. We will come back to conquer the summit another day. Instead of walking, we are going to take the chairlift down to Thredbo. The views were simply stunning as we took the chairlift down. After 15 minutes on the chairlift, we were back down at Thredbo. From the top of the mountain to the quietness and tranquility of Lake Jindabyne. Even though we did not make it to the Mount Kosciuszko Summit, we had a great time concluding our year 2024 hike with our friends. Looking forward to more hiking adventures in the year 2025.